go. So, good day everyone. This is the video presentation of Medibook, a web-based clinic appointment booking system. So, mag-start po tayo sa index natin, yung makikita natin sa presentation. So, makikita po natin dito yung introduction, objectives, target users, related HCI concepts, tools and technologies used, wireframes and mock-ups, conclusions, and recommendations. Mag-start naman po tayo sa introduction. So, yung healthcare is one of the most important parts of a human life. So, yung mga advancements of healthcare technologies, nirevolutionize niya yung way of healthcare facilities handle patients, services, and appointments. Yung rapid advancement of digitalization of healthcare workflow has become an essential part of maintaining efficient operation and patient satisfaction. According sa study of Radwan et al. 2024, yung that stated that yung traditional healthcare appointment ay nagfe-face ng mga problems, so such as yung mga increase of walk-in patients, yung mga pagdami ng mga lab test request, and even yung mga tao na dun sa clinic kahit wala naman silang ginagawa doon. So yung yung mga bagay na yun is effectively affecting the increase of healthcare providers workload, at binabawasan ito yung quality ng services na binibigay nila sa mga patients. On the same study, it is stated that yung web-based appointment system provides a much excellent performance as based on the patient satisfactory, and effectively binabawasan ito yung waiting time. So next is yung although digital healthcare systems ay proven na effective sa pagmamanage ng mga patients, meron tong kasing malaking flaw, which is yung most of the digital systems are hard to use and to understand. Yung study of Lee et al. 2021 ay sinabi na 82% of the people ay from 60 years old and older are attending annual checkups. So this means that yung mga older people, group of people ay need nila ng more healthcare assistance. According to Mubarak and Suomi 2022, yung older people faces challenges on the widespread of digitalization, and this particular group of people are having troubles kahit na sa pag-perform ng mga basic tasks involving technology. Furthermore, a video discussion of Elder Abuse Prevention Ontario 2025 stated that yung barriers on ease of use is one of the aspects that prevents the older people to achieve digital literacy. So, pinapahirapan ito yung mga older people, yung group of older people na mag-adapt sa technological progress na nangyayari ngayon. So, with this consideration, the Medibook system aims to provide an overall appointment process by reducing the manual work. Bawasan yung scheduling error at pag-enhance ng communication. Also, ini-improve nito yung performance efficiency. Through the use of web-based platform, ini-ensure na yung system namin is mas madali ma-access and can be used anytime and anywhere. In addition, the system aims to provide an easy-use design that is user-friendly, and nagpo-promote siya ng inclusivity, especially to the older group of people. By implementing this features, the Medibook system seeks to provide a more convenient, efficient, and accessible healthcare appointment experience for both patients and clinic personnel. So, dumako naman po tayo sa general objectives. The general objective of this study is to develop Medibook, a web-based clinic appointment system that improves appointment management, enhances operational efficiency, and provides a user-friendly and accessible healthcare service platform for both patients and clinic personnel. So yung specific objectives po namin is to develop a web-based clinic appointment system that allows yung mga patients na makapag-schedule ng appointments online conveniently and efficiently. Next one is to reduce the manual workload, scheduling conflicts, and waiting time through an automated appointment management process. Next is to enhance the communication between patients and the clinic personnel through digital appointment scheduling and notification features. Next is to design a user-friendly interface that is easy to understand and navigate, especially para sa mga older peoples and users with limited technological experience. The fifth one is to improve accessibility by enabling users to access the system anytime and anywhere using an internet-connected device. Sixth is to provide an organized and efficient methods for managing patients, appointments, and clinic schedules. The last one is to promote a more convenient, efficient, and inclusive healthcare appointment experience through implementation of digital healthcare technologies.
Next naman po ay ang target users. Una ay ang patients. Patients will be benefit from the system by being able to use an organized system for online appointment scheduling. The particular users will be able to access efficient and organized appointment management process. The system ay also designed to be user-friendly and inclusive, making it suitable for older adults and individuals who have limited experience with digital technologies. Next is the clinic personnel. Yung clinic personnel ay including yung receptionists, nurses, and administrators are also target users of the system. The particular group of people will be able to use the system to effectively manage patients' appointments, monitor schedules and records, and better communication to patients by having an appointment system. The system can reduce manual workload, improving the performance and the efficiency of clinic operations. Next is yung healthcare providers. Yung healthcare providers such as doctors may benefit to the system having a more organized scheduling and improvement patient flow management. Next naman po ay related HCI concepts. The development of Medibook system applies several key human-computer interaction or HCI. The principle to ensure that interface is effective, user-friendly, and accessible to wide range user. Isa sa mga main principle nito ay yung consistency, where similar layouts, buttons, and navigation structures are maintained throughout the system to help user easily understand and predict how the interface works. Nare-reduce nito yung confusion and improves ease of use, especially for the first-time user and older adults. Next, another important principle is accessibility, which ensure the system can be used by individuals in different levels of technology experience. The interface is designed with clear fonts, simple layouts, and straightforward processes to accommodate user who may struggle with complex digital system. The simplicity is also applied by minimizing unnecessary features and focusing on only essential functions such as appointment scheduling, viewing, and management.
Next is the principle of feedback is integrated into the system by providing users with immediate responses after actions such as booking an appointment, updating information, or canceling schedules. Tumutulong din ito para maintindihan ng mga users whether yung actions ba nila ay successful or kailangan pa ng correction. In addition, visibility is applied by ensuring that important features such as book appointment, view schedule, and notifications are clearly displayed and easy to locate within the interface. Lastly, user control is emphasized by allowing users to freely manage their appointments katulad ng rescheduling or canceling bookings when necessary. Nagbibigay din ito ng flexibility and improves their overall experience kapag nakikipag-interact sila sa system. Through these HCI principles, the Medibook system aims to provide an intuitive, efficient, and user-centered design. Next naman natin ay tools and technologies used. The development of the Medibook web-based clinic appointment use system utilized several tools and technologies to ensure functionality, usability, and efficiency. Ang mga developers ay gumamit ng pencil to develop the initial design of the prototype and use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript para ma-develop yung final front-end design with the use of Figma software to create the structure and interactivity of the user interface. Para sa back-end development, gumamit sila ng PHP as the server-side scripting language to handle system processes katulad ng appointment scheduling, user authentication, and data management. The system was developed in Figma kung saan yung code ay inedit and the flow of the prototype is created and adjusted for a much more efficient work. Next naman natin ay yung wireframes and mockups. So makikita nyo naman dyan, ito po ay in-sketch namin sa pencil. So ito po yung login page and yung home page. And makikita nyo po dito ay yung search results page, which is yung booking, and yung history page kung saan makikita yung appointment histories and yung bookings.
Pagdating naman po sa naging conclusion ng aming ginawang web-based clinic appointment system is ang na-address na problems po dito is yung traditional nating appointment system such as yung walk-in appointment, sa pag-aantay ng matagal, sa manual scheduling na naghihinder sa efficiency ng ating clinical workflow. So yung entire system po natin is nag-base sa objectives niya na para nga po sa mga target users. Gumamit po tayo ng online appointment scheduling sa management para ma-improve yung efficiency ng ating clinic operations, para ma-enhance yung overall patient experience. So in addition po dito, ang developers is nag-develop ng system na based sa human-computer interaction principles na nakakatulong sa mga user na mas maging madali ang paggamit ng isang system. So especially po sa naging consideration natin sa mga matatanda or older adults and users with limited technical knowledge. So overall, yung prototype na ginawa po namin is nagde-demonstrate ng web-based solution para po ma-improve ang appointment handling, reduce administrative workload, and enhance communication between users and healthcare providers. So pagdating naman po sa recommendations, although the Medibook system has achieved its intended goals, marami pa ring improvements ang kailangan gawin para sa future development nito, being prototype. So first, the system may be enhanced by adding SMS or email notification features para mag-provide ng real-time appointment reminders sa users. So para mas ma-improve pa yung communication and ma-reduce yung missed appointments. Pangalawa naman po, the system can be expanded to include online consultation or telemedicine features, allowing patients to consult healthcare providers remotely. This would increase the accessibility para lalo na sa mga users na medyo malayo sa mga clinic. Third naman po is mag-implement ng mobile application version para ma-improve yung convenience sa accessibility nito sa mga users na ang gamit lamang is smartphones. So mobile optimization would also enhance user engagement and usability. Additionally, yung future versions po ng system may include the advanced analytics for clinic administrators such as appointment trends, patient flow reports, and system usage statistics. This would help improve decision making and resource management within the clinic. And lastly naman po, to further enhance the usability, so mag-involve po tayo ng larger and more diverse group of users, so especially sa mga older adults, and it is recommended na to continuously improve the system's interface and accessibility features.
So good day everyone, sa video na to, dito ko papakita sa inyo ang video tutorial ng Medibook. So makikita nyo sa screen na to, meron tayong sign in at create account. Pag may account na kayo, pwede na kayo mag-sign in. At pag wala naman, punta kayo sa create account, type nyo lang ang inyong email at ang password nyo na dapat 6 characters pataas. After nyo naman matype lahat, pwede na kayo mag-create account. And diretso na agad kayo sa dashboard. Sa dashboard, dito nyo makikita yung ating search bar na pwede natin i-search yung doctor, specialty nila, at yung condition. Pagbaba naman natin, meron tayong section ng book appointment, view history, at help support. Sa book appointment, dito natin makikita yung specialties ng mga doktor, yung best match, at available today. Sa all specialties, nandito yung cardiologist, rheumatology, and so on. Sa best match, dito natin makikita naman yung rating at ang availability. Pag pinindot naman natin yung available today, dito, lalabas yung mga doctors na available ngayong araw na to. Pag scroll nyo, dito natin makikita yung mga list ng mga doctors Pag nakapili na kayo ng doktor, pwede nyo na pinutin yung book now. Pag napindot nyo yung book now, pupunta kayo sa book appointment na kung saan magsaselect kayo ng date. Pagkatapos yun, biglang lalabas yung select time at kung anong oras kayo mag-appointment. Pag nakabili na kayo ng oras, pwede na kayo mag-confirm booking at lalabas yung appointment confirm. Pagbaba na dito, may makikita kayo message na what to bring. Sa what to bring na to, dito nyo makikita yung requirements na kayo yung dadalhin. So, sa view history naman. Sa view history, nandito yung ating upcoming at yung past. Dito natin mag-view yung ating appointment. Sa upcoming, dito yung mga bago pa lang nating appointment. At yung sa past, ito yung mga natapos na. Sa help support naman, dito natin makikita yung frequently asked questions na kung sa mga tanong sa booking, confirmation, visit, account, and privacy. Pagbaba nyo dito, makikita nyo yung contact support na may live chat, email support, and phone. Sa pagbaba nyo sa dulo, dito nyo makikita yung send message na mag-fill kayo ng pangalan nyo at ang email. Sa message, dito nyo pwede i-describe yung inyong mga tanong at yung mga issue.
So that concludes our video presentation about Medibook, a web-based clinic appointment system. Thank you.